Hi, hello, good morning, my dear beloved music lovers. This video is for music lovers, especially for cinema music lovers. My channel is this one. This is Music Review Channel MRC. Welcome you all to this MRC. Long ago, all devotional Islamic songs are sung by the great legendary singer Nagur Anifa. For example, இறைவனிடம் கையேந்துங்கள் அவன் இல்லை என்று சொல்லுவதில்லை பொறுமையுடன் கேட்டு பாருங்கள் அவன் பொக்கிஷத்தை மூடுவதில்லை. So wonderfully song heard by maximum most all of us might have been hearing this for a long time. And then great writer director Duklak Cho Ramasamy directed a movie, Muhammad bin Duklak, in which M.S. Viswanathan, the great music composer, composed and sang an Islamic song, Allah, 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 நீ இல்லாத இடமே இல்லை நீதானே உலகின் எல்லை அல்லாஹ் அல்லாஹ் Allah, Allah. Wonderful song sung by M.S. Viswanathan. After that, Kalaigani Kamalhasan in the movie Adubuli Attam sang another Islamic song. வானுக்கு தந்தை எவனோ மண்ணுக்கு மூலம் எவனோ யாருக்கும் தந்தை இல்லை அவனுக்கு தந்தை இல்லை அல்லாஹ் விற்ற பிள்ளைதானே யாரும் லா இலாஹு இல்லல்லாஹு முஹம்மதுல்லா தூனுல்லாஹி. A beautiful Islamic song. But cinema has totally become commercial, so we could see only masala movies almost in all languages of India. Since we don't have Satyajit Ray, Shyam Sevan Benagal, Mirnalan Sen, Adur Gopalakrishnan, and our Tamil No Balachandra. In the same way, in our music world, Tamil music is actually majestically propelled by Threisai Talagam K.V. Mahadevan, M.S. Viswanathan, and Ilayaraja, and other good great ancient musicians like Veda, Shankar Ganesh, Deva, and even Kunnakudi Vaidyanathan and Balamurali Krishna. After that, all of them gave wonderful melodies. But for the past 40 years in commercial cinema, we could hear only hero entry song, duet songs, and folk songs. Nowhere we could hear any devotional melody in celluloid world. But the present music tempest, Mr. A.R. Rahman, a wonderful young Oscar winner, musical tornado A.R. Rahman has recently composed a meticulous, miraculous Islamic devotional melody in Lal Salam. Actually, his decision to use Tenisai Tendral Deva and his Ghana voice for this Islamic song is appropriate and astonishing. In the beginning of the song, Deepika's Urdu chanting Astaghfirullah mesmerizes like Hindu pranavam, Om, and of course Deva's excellent emotional voice and the meaningful lyrics brings out tears from all the music lovers' eyes, from all the eyes of every music lover. When I say this to others, everyone asks why I promote that particular song. I am wondering with that question. Usually, some people of Salem are suggesting me very often to eat samosa mix from Gupta Sweets, and some friends say to take mini tiffin in Lakshmi Hotel, and some relatives talk about Tattuvadai set of Salem that is very popular that they have eaten. Some used to suggest to have a cup of coffee in the hotel called Vilvatri Bhavan. While people are promoting all eatables, why can't I, a music lover, promote the two devotional song composition of Mr. Young Oscar Award winner A.R. Rahman? So my dear friends, try listening to that song. Don't miss it, okay? Because music is actually a meticulous medication and miraculous mesmerizing meditation. Let me hear sing that pallavi of that Lal Salam song, beautifully sung by Tenisa Tandral Deva. எல்லாமும் இங்கே அல்லாஹ் உன்னாலே ஆகும், பொல்லாத காலம் கண்ணீரில் கோலம் போடும், ஓடை இல்லாமல் போகின்ற ஓடத்திலே தீயில் பஞ்சாக வேகின்ற நேரத்திலே, ஓஹோ ஓஹோ வல்லோனே நான் உன்னை காண்பேனோ துன்பத்திலே, சொல் 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 வல்லானே நீ சொல், அல்லாவே நீ சொல் சொல், அல்லாவே நீ சொல், அருளாளனே சொல் சொல். Beautiful song, beautiful Islamic devotional song. Music lover, my dear beloved music lovers, don't miss it. Once again, try to hear. It's an extraordinary composition by the young tornado A.R. Rahman. I will continue in another review of another wonderful song by our Tamil music director. Thank you. Adieu, my dear friends.